to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops.
Hey guys, what's up? Finally, we're back on Twitter Spaces. I hope it works fine this time. I'm gonna add a few people. Okay, I've added 3 people. Hi, who's speaking?
It's Sony.
Your name is?
Sony.
Sony. Hi, Sony. What's up?
Hi.
Where are you from?
I'm from Patna.
Okay. What's up? Wanna ask me something?
Everything. Yes. Can you sing Shayad, please?
Shayad.
Yes.
I don't know the lyrics properly. You wanna ask me something? You wanna ask me to sing some other song, my own song?
Yes. कुछ तो है.
कुछ तो है. Okay. Give me a second. I'm pulling up the lyrics. Okay. कुछ तो है जो नींद आए कम, कुछ तो है जो आंखें हैं नम, कुछ तो है जो तू कह दे तो हंसते हंसते मर जाए हम में
Hi, Adnan.
Hi, who's speaking?
Nivedita here.
Hi Nivedita, what's up?
How
कहाँ से
are
बोल
you?
रहा हो?
Mangalore.
Mangalore. Okay, nice. I'm good. How are you doing?
Once do a concert in Mangalore.
I will definitely try to come to Mangalore.
I have a small request.
Okay.
Can you please sing Sari Ki Sari of Darshan Rawal?
Sari ki Sari? I don't know that song actually.
Any song of him can you sing? Just few lines.
You tell me the song. Any song that you feel you
Asal
like.
mein.
Hello?
Hello.
Can you repeat? I couldn't hear you.
Asal mein.
Asal mein. Okay, I like that song. असल में तुम नहीं हो मेरे, तुम नहीं हो मेरे, तुम नहीं हो मेरे, तुम नहीं हो मेरे. उतना ही पता है मुझे, थोड़ा थोड़ा लिरिक्स. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna speak to Vidushi. I think Vidushi is on as well. Hi Vidushi.
How are you? Finally, I got the chance. Thank you for having me.
Vidushi, actually your mic is not
Hello.
Causing a lot of disturbance. Okay, sadly there's issues with some stuff on the spaces. Okay, I'm gonna get sorry Vidushi for that, but I think there was some issue. I'll get someone else on. Hi.
Hello, Arman. Hello.
Hi. Who's this?
Mohini.
Hi Mohini. Where are you from?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Oh, nice. What's up?
Arman,
Tell me, Moini, what do you want to ask me?
I just want, just a small request. Nazam and
Okay.
Zahin birthday is coming, so please wish them in advance.
Whose birthday is coming?
Nazam and Zahin.
Okay.
To please wish them in advance.
Okay. I anyway will wish them on Twitter, but happy birthday in advance to Nazam and Zahin. Lots of love.
Okay, Arman, how is your health?
I'm sorry?
How is your health?
My health is awesome. I'm doing really well, touch wood.
It's great.
Everything's good. How's your health?
Now I'm happy. I'm shaking right now.
Now I'm happy, now I'm shaking. Decide what is happening.
I can't speak. I don't. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much.
Lots of love. Okay, I'm gonna get someone else on as a speaker.
Okay,
Take care.
please say
Bye.
hi to Chandrashmita and Nela. Please say hi to Chandra.
Let's see who else we can get. Okay, I've added 2 people. Hi.
Hello, my name is Nazifa.
Hi, Nazifa. How are you?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, awesome.
I'm shaking right now. Actually, I'm seriously.
Nazifa, where are you from in Bangladesh?
I'm from Dhaka, but now I'm in Noakhali.
Okay.
You can say I'm from
So
Dhaka.
Okay. So tell me what's up.
Yeah, everything is good, but I'm shaking. No, actually, I was little bit depressed because, everyone in my family was infected by COVID, including me. And
are you all better now?
Yeah, but now my grandmother is still ill, and I just lost one of my brother because of.
God, I'm so sorry to hear that.
No, it's okay because he was I mean, I can't even speak. Hi, Arman. How are you doing?
I'm sorry. I think we have another speaker. Mayuri, I'm gonna get to you in like a minute.
Yeah, sure. I'm just taking your time. I have a small request.
Okay, what's your request?
Can you please sing Bol Do Na Zara for me?
Okay, sure. एक तुम्हें चाहने के अलावा और कुछ हमसे होगा नहीं, बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं.
Oh my God, thank you so much, Arman.
Lots of love.
Thank
I'll
you.
speak to you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Mayuri. What's up?
Nothing. What about you?
Just hanging out with all my fans, all you guys on Twitter.
You should do live on Instagram, yaar. People want to see.
I will. I know. I'm gonna do an Instagram live soon.
Yeah.
Either on the release of Ekoche.
Okay.
Or,
Yeah, everyone want to know what is this. Is it a song or something? Or...
I don't know, honestly. But yeah, probably on the release of that, or when I reach 10 million on Instagram, I'll do a live.
Yes.
So yeah, waiting for that.
Yeah.
You want to ask me something? Any request? What's up?
I'm literally like, I have no words. I'm just okay. You should sing something. Your favorite song.
I have a lot of favorite songs. What is your favorite song?
Ajana Ferrari mein.
Oh, okay. You like that song. Do you want me to sing that song?
Yeah.
I don't even remember. It's been so long since I've sung. एक तो इग्नोर कर दी, बाकी कुड़ियां मुझ पे मर दी, मैं तो गबरू जवां सोनी है, अख मेरे संग क्यों नहीं लड़ दी, आ जाना फरारी में मेरे एक बार, मैं तो हूँ तैयारी में मेरे यार, होगा जब सनसेट तब मैं तुझसे करूंगा प्यार 100 बार आ जाना फरारी में. There you go. Okay, Mayuri, I'm gonna get someone else on.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye. Okay. Let's see who we can get. There's so many requests. I don't even know what to do. Oh God. Okay. Wait. Why is the spaces so tough to use? Okay, I've added someone. Yep, I've added 3 people. Let's see who can speak.
Hi, Arman.
Hi, I can't see your name. Wait, who's it?
Oh, I'm Sanchita.
Oh, hi, Sanchita. What's up?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you? Thank you so much. Okay, and I really want to ask you, कैसे celebrity हो यार? भाव नहीं खाते हो बिल्कुल?
मैं ऐसा ही हूँ यार, मतलब I don't know. मैं मतलब भाव.
Thank you. You have been so, like you treat your fans. You don't treat us like your fans. You treat us like your family.
Yeah, so that's always been my my thing. I've never considered myself as someone who's unreachable because I really like to be connected with my fans. And since day one, it's been like that. I mean, I've never wanted to keep a distance, with you guys because you guys are so close to me.
Yes, thank you so much for that. We love you as well. We love you more.
Lots of love to all of you.
Okay.
You want to ask me something?
Yeah, how have
Any requests?
Yeah. No, I just want to thank you for for being you.
Wow,
That's
that
it.
means a lot. Thank you so much. It's really sweet.
Thank you so much. I had planned everything for 2020 for the concerts and all, but everything, all the plans got.
Don't worry, there's a lot of amazing stuff coming your way. My new songs are coming,
hopefully.
my merchandise is coming, and whenever.
Yes, we are definitely waiting for that.
So yeah, don't worry. There's a lot of exciting stuff in store. So yeah, don't feel bad.
Yeah. No, not at all. Thank you, and it's all thanks to you. You have been, such a support to all of us. We have been through such a hard time, and it's all because of you that we have been through. We passed a lot.
Wow, that means a lot. Thank you so much. I'm so glad that I could be with you guys during such a tough period for everyone. Hope you're safe and healthy, and that's all I want. All of my fans to just be, safe and healthy.
Yes, you too.
And once we're done with this, we're gonna have a.
Yeah, we are waiting for your
Hello?
concerts, your meet and greet, and everything.
Yeah, after we're done with all of this, we'll have a big concert and meet and greet and everything. Don't worry.
Yes. Thank you so much.
We have to celebrate so
Take
many
care.
things. I've not celebrated anything.
Yeah.
I wanted to throw like a big celebration for my Control 1 year of Control or Control launch party.
Yes. Congratulations on that. That has been such a moment of pride for all of
Thank
us.
you.
Not just for you, but for us as well.
Thank you so much. Okay, I'm just gonna get another person on this.
Yeah, sure.
But
Take care.
thanks for talking. Lots of love.
You too.
Added a few more people before we. I know nashta break tha, lekin you guys can enjoy a nashta break on this space. Just 5 more minutes and then we'll end this space. I think there's Preet, Kriti, and Ifta that are connecting with us right now.
Hello, Arman.
Hello, who's this?
Hi, Arman.
Ifta?
How are you?
Hello.
Are you listening? Hi, Arman.
Hi, who's this?
I'm Ifta.
Hi, Ifta.
I'm from Bangladesh.
Wow, another fan from Bangladesh.
How
What's
are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm also good. I just can't believe.
Believe it, हो रहा है मतलब सच है ये, don't worry. ये ड्रीम नहीं.
I just want to thank you for everything.
Thank you, Ifta. Thank you guys. You guys, have been such an important part to play in my journey. So lots of love to all of you guys. कुछ request है? You want something?
Okay, Aman. Lots of love, Aman. Thank you for adding me.
Okay, Ifta. Take care. Lots of love.
Lots of love. Take care, you too.
Bye. Hello. I think I've added one more person. One last person before we move on.
Hello.
Hi, Sejal.
Yes. How are you?
Hi, Sejal. I'm good. Where are you from?
I'm from Gujarat. One request है आपसे.
Oh. अच्छा बोलो. क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं. आपको ये How are you now? आप कैसा फील कर रहे हो अभी?
आपका क्या रिक्वेस्ट था? मैं I couldn't hear you.
अब कुछ नहीं सर, एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है मेरा कि आप
Okay.
सॉन्ग्स आपके मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, तो एक सॉन्ग गा दो प्लीज. हेलो.
तो आपका बेस्टेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन सा है? कौन सा वाला गाना?
तेरे मेरे.
हेलो.
हेलो. तेरे मेरे सॉन्ग.
तेरे मेरे.
हाँ.
ओके. 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 तेरे मेरे दरमिया है बातें अनकही, तू वहाँ है मैं यहाँ क्यों, साथ हम नहीं, फैसले जो किए फासले ही मिले, राहें जुदा क्यों हो गए, ना तू गलत ना मैं सही.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Okay, Sejal, lots of love.
थैंक यू. बाय.
Bye. Okay, so that was it.
बोलना पड़ता है. अगर आपने नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब तो go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and get notified when the video goes live.